Hello student, good morning to all of you. Today we discussed some problem based on Kirchhoff's law and one problem based on meter bridge. Okay, in which first we solve question number second, in which we need to calculate the current in each branch in the given circuit. We have the circuit A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, in this circuit A to B, in branch A to B current I1 is flowing, in branch C to D current I2 is flowing, and in branch E to F current I3 is flowing. The direction of current is taken in reference to third battery of 4 volt because it has more power, so it eject the current in other two batteries. Okay, so the current leaving from battery of potential 4 volt is in the direction C to D current I2 is moving and A to B current I1 is moving, and we are taking the calculation direction in the same as the direction of I3. Okay, now applying Kirchhoff first rule, current is start from here, so I3 has value I1 प्लस I2, ये हमारा फर्स्ट इक्वेशन हो जाएगा. उसके अकॉर्डिंग देखते हैं स्टूडेंट, यहाँ से I3 को ब्रेक होना है I2 एंड I1 में, तो इस ब्रांच में आ गई I2, तो ये है करंट I2, एंड इस ब्रांच में करंट I1 आगे लीव करे, आगे फ्लो करेगी, तो ये हो गई हमारे पास करंट I1. जैसे ही ये करंट यहाँ पहुंचेगी I1, तो इस ब्रांच में ये I3 हो जाएगी, which is I1 plus I2. So current approaching this junction D and leaving the current are equal. That is, यहाँ पे अप्रोचिंग करंट I3 थी और वो लीव हो रही थी टू पार्ट में I2 एंड I1, एंड एट D I2 एंड I1 आर अप्रोचिंग एंड करंट I3 इज लीविंग, विच इज I1 प्लस I2. Okay, so this is the distribution of current according to Kirchhoff first rule. Now applying Kirchhoff second rule. Okay, in loop A, B, D, C, A, B, D, C, A, our calculation direction is from here, so 1 plus 3I2 in opposite direction, 4I1, it is negative, and minus 2 equal to 0. On solving this we get इसको हम इधर ले जा रहे हैं, we get 4I1 minus 3I2 equal to plus minus minus 1. This is equation first. Okay, now in branch now in loop A, B, F, E, C, A, B, F, E, A. अब हम ये पूरे लूप में जा रहे हैं, ये वाली लाइन को लीव कर रहे हैं. So students, ये स्टार्टिंग करंट है, सो we are moving in direction of current. Okay, so we move like this. Therefore 4 minus 2 plus 4 I1, and then here plus 2 I3, and we leave at A, so it is 0. On solving this we get वन मिनट, ये गया हमारा, ये डायरेक्शन है, इसको हमने इधर से कट किया, this one is minus and this is negative, so we get four I1 2 I3 equal to 2. Therefore we are taking common from here as 2, so 2 I1 plus I3 equal to 1. Okay, as taking 2 as common, we get 2 I1 plus I3 equal to 2. तो ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा यहाँ से, तो हमें ये इक्वेशन मिलेगी. नाउ वी हैव स्टूडेंट I3 2 I1 plus I3, we have I1 plus I2 equal to 1, so this will become 3 I1 plus I2 equal to 2. This is equation third. Okay, now we solve equation this second with third by multiplying this equation by 3. On multiplying this by 3, we get 9 I1 plus 3 I2, and this will become 6 equation 4. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, now equation 4 plus equation second. Okay, now here 1, तो ये हमारे पास 1 आएगा, multiply this we get is 3. Now we have 9 I1 3 I2 equal to 3, and from second we have 4 I1 minus 3 I2 equal to minus 1. तो हमें यहाँ से इक्वेशन मिल जाएगी स्टूडेंट्स, this is cancel and we get 13 I1 equal to 2. Therefore I1 is equal to 2 by 13 ampere. Okay, now we calculate from equation third. From equation third, I2 is equal to 1 minus this. I2 is equal to 1 minus 3 I1. On solving this, we get 1 minus 2 by 13. 1 minute. 3 into 2 by 13. On solving 1 minus 13 minus 6 upon 13, this will become I2 is equal to 7 by 13 ampere. And now we have I3. From equation first, I3 is equal to I1 plus I2, which is 2 by 13 plus 7 by 13 is become 9 by 13 ampere. This is we have I3. So this is your first solution. Copy this very careful. Okay, so it is complete. Copy this very carefully. This is how we solve the numerical based on Kirchhoff's law. Okay students, next we are discussing on the first question, in which in a meter bridge with R and S in the gap, जो हमारे पास फर्स्ट टू गैप होते हैं स्टूडेंट L पॉइंट से, null point at 40 centimeter found from point A. This is point A, this is point B, and this is null point C N. Okay. If a 30 ohm resistance is connected parallel to S, S के साथ एक 30 ohm resistance को parallel में लाकर कनेक्ट कर दिया. Okay. The null point at 50 centimeter found from A. Null point change हो रहा है. We need to calculate here the value of R and S. Okay. Therefore, ये कॉपी हो गया है. Okay. This is our solution number 1. Okay, in which we have a meter bridge whose null point is found at 40 centimeter. So if this is L, so this is 100 minus L, so this will be get 60 centimeter. It is clear? Now from figure, first we take what is given. In the question we have L1 is 30, 1 minute. L1 is 40 centimeter. Therefore, L2 is 100 minus L1, which is 60 centimeter. Second, we have a resistance R1 which is 30 ohm. Okay, and second we have L-1 50 centimeter and L-2 which is also 50 centimeter. Okay, now first we have according to Wheatstone bridge at L is equal to 40 centimeter, Ig is 0. Therefore R upon S is equal to L1 upon 100 minus L1. Therefore we get 40 upon 60, which we have 2 by 3. We need to calculate here first the unknown resistance. So we calculate this equation for S. Therefore S is equal to 3 by 2 R. ये हमारे पास एक कंडीशन आएगा which is first condition. Okay, now when 30 ohm resistance connect parallel to S, therefore S dash is equal to, ये हमारा R1 है, resistance R1. Okay, so S इक्विवेलेंट, इस वाले पॉइंट का इक्विवेलेंट होगा S R1 अपॉन S प्लस R1, that is 30S upon S plus 30. Okay, this we have equation first. Now therefore L-1 is at 50 centimeter. So according to the same, R upon S dash equal to L1 dash upon 100 minus L1 dash. Okay, this we get 50 upon 50, which cancel by 1, and we get R is equal to S dash. Clear, students? Therefore here we are using यहीं पे कर लेते हैं from equation first we have R is equal to 30S upon S plus 30. Okay, now we have value of S. S is equal to 1 minute. R is equal to R is equal to 30 into value of S is 3 by 2 R upon this is 3 by 2 R plus 30. Okay, now this r cancel by this and we get 1.5. 3 by 2 r plus 30 is equal to 15. 3 jar 45. On solving this we get 3 by 2 r is equal to 45 minus 30 is 15. Now this cancel by 5 times and we get here r is equal to 10 ohm. Okay, now value of S is equal to 3 by 2 into 10, which is cancelled by 5, so 3 into 5 is equal to 15 ohm. This is how we solve these questions related to the meter bridge. Copy this and thank you. In the next lecture, we discussed on next lecture we are discussed on the numerical based on the combination of cell. Okay, thank you.